Welcome learners to Form 3 Mathematics. We are looking at formation of quadratic equations from given situations. Formation of quadratic equations given some situations. Now, let us look at this example, Anna. We are told that a two-digit number is such that the product of its digits is 12. When the digits are reversed, the number formed exceeds the original number by 9. Find the original number. So learner, you come and write, let the original number be xy. It is a two-digit number, x and y. So let the original number be xy. So we are told a two-digit number is such that the product means multiplication of its digits is 12. So it means that x times y is equals to 12. X times y is equals to 12. Let that be equation number 1. We go to the second sentence. When the digits are reversed, if these digits are reversed, what will the number be? So we can say reversing the digits, the number becomes what? The number becomes yx. You are reversing the digits. So the number becomes yx. And we are told that when the digits are reversed, the number formed, this number which is formed, exceeds the original number by 9. This number which is formed here, learner, exceeds the original number by 9. The difference between these two is 9. The number formed, this one, exceeds or it is greater. You see, this number is greater than the original number by 9. So how do we form this equation here to show the difference? You go to the total value of each number, like now this one. What is the total value? X is in the ones digits and y is in the tens digits. So the total value for this number, learner, will be 10 times y, which is 10y, plus 1 times x, which is x. This is the total value of the second digit. 1's tens, so 10y plus x. 1 times x is x. We go to this other one here. I can fix it here. What will be the total value? This is in the ones digits and this is in the tens digits. So the total value for this will be 10x. 10 times x. 10x plus 1 times y is y. So 10x plus y. So to show this difference, you use the total value. So the total value for this number minus these should give you 9. So you come and write the total value for the second number is 10y plus x, this one here, subtracting the first total value, subtracting 10x plus y, the difference should be 9. I hope you've got that. We use the total values to show the difference. So from there, learner, you come and see this is 10y plus x minus, remove this bracket. This bracket is very important because we are subtracting the two terms of this total value. So the bracket has to be there. Then you now remove it. So minus 10x. Minus times plus, learner, gives you minus. Minus what? Y is equals to 9. So from there, put the like terms together. 10y minus y gives you 9y. X minus 10x, learner, gives you minus 10x. Sorry, this should be x. So x minus 10x gives you minus 9x, which gives you 9. We can simplify this equation by dividing area by 9, like that. So you'll be left with y minus x is equals to what? It is equals to 1. Call this the second equation. Remember, our first equation was this one here. So we have two equations there. We solve them simultaneously. This and this, we solve them simultaneously. So in this one, make y the subject of the formula. Make y the subject of the formula. So y will be equals to what? Take this to the other side. So you get 1 plus x. Then substitute this in 1. Substitute this in 1, in equation 1. Where you have y in equation 1, Lana, you write what? 1 plus x. Or maybe you can first write the first equation. It was like this. So substitute this here, where you have y fix 1 plus x. So we write it as x. Your y is 1 plus x is equals to 12. Remove the bracket, you get x plus what, Lana? X plus this times this, x squared is equals to 12. Bring this on this side. As you arrange these figures, you can start with x squared plus x. Bringing this on this side, it becomes minus is equals to 0. And therefore, Lana, you have formed a quadratic equation. And this is what we are dealing with, formation of quadratic equations given some situations. So you have your quadratic equation. Solve it by factor method. So product is negative 12. The sum is normally the coefficient of x here, which is 1. The sum is 1, and the product is minus 12. So the numbers that you add to get this are that, and if you multiply the same numbers, you get this. Take these, learners, we know how to factorize this. You substitute this here. So you say x squared plus 4 joined to x minus 3, x also there. Then we continue, minus 12 is equals to 0. Factor out what is common in these two groups. So here, Lana, you talk of x in bracket x plus 4. Then here you factor out what? Here you factor out 3. You'll be left with what? X plus 4 is equals to 0. So if you look at this bracket, it's the same. So you write x plus 4. Then you pick these others. X minus 3 is equals to 0. So Lana, it means either this bracket is equals to 0, can write it here, x plus 4 is equals to 0, or this other bracket, x minus 3 is equals to 0. Meaning that your x here, Lana, is what? Take this to the other side, it becomes minus 4. Take this to the other side, x will be 3. So you pick the positive number. Pick the positive number and get your y. So if x is 3, we can use this second equation here. Y is 1 plus x, which is 1 plus 3, which is equals to what? 4, which is equals to 4. And therefore, the original number, Lana, the original number, which was xy, therefore is what? 3, our x is 3, and our y is 4. This was the original number. I hope you have understood the concept. Keep on practicing, Lana, all the way from the very first statement here. Read it nicely, read it accurately, then you follow all the steps until you get that answer. God bless you as you practice. Bye-bye.